Hi, I'm Prateek Gupta, third year engineering student from Career Institute of Technology and Management, Faridabad, and I'm here to give my views on cloud computing. I'm sure it's everyone's favorite topic of discussion, but I promise in this video you will learn a lot and might have a little fun. First of all, I would like to tell you what does cloud computing really means. Is it anything that involves cloud? Cloud computing is basically a general term for anything that involves delivering hosted services over the internet. The name cloud computing was inspired from the symbol cloud that is often used to represent internet in flowcharts. Cloud computing is really big and it's getting bigger every day. In March 2010, Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer made a very strong statement of betting companies' future in cloud by proclaiming, "For the cloud, we are all in," and further stating that 75% of his folks are doing entirely cloud-based or entirely cloud-inspired, and a year from then, that will be 90%. There are basically three layers to cloud computing application. Cloud application service or software as a service delivers software as a service over the internet, eliminating the need to install and run application on the user's own computer. Platform. Cloud platform service or platform as a service deliver a computer platform and solution stack as a service. Infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure service or infrastructure as a service deliver a computer infrastructure, typically a platform virtualization environment as a service. Let's talk about hosting in the cloud. Let's say you and your company have a website and suppose initially it has a few number of users, but it's getting successful and now it has a huge number of users, but with huge number of users comes problem. Your equipment can't just keep up with the demands, your service slows down and suddenly you and your company come in trouble. To solve this problem, earlier you have to put your website on a server somewhere and you have to buy new servers and have someone set up them for you whenever you get successful. It costs a lot of money and consumes a lot of time. You have to pay for these servers whenever you are using them, and you have to pay for these servers whenever you are not using them. But now we have a better option, cloud computing. With cloud computing you have the access to computing power instantly whenever you need. For your website on cloud, it's like putting it on a dedicated server. Whenever people start visiting your site, you need more computing power dedicated to your website, you can scale up as much as you can almost instantly from cloud on demand. And when your service dips down, you can release your servers back to the cloud almost as easily. This is the major advantage of cloud computing. How do you actually work with the cloud? It's very easy using your own personal computer from remotely access from anywhere and control it. You can put anything on it, software, website or code. The key to cloud computing is not to focus on the hardware but focus on your website, software or code or whatever it is. The question arises, why cloud computing is becoming so popular? There are basically three reasons to it. Scalability. It's easy to grow and shrink your computing power as per your needs. Instant. Cloud computing instant. Whatever you need is instantly available on the cloud computing. Saves money. You pay only for what you use and not for the equipment that you might need. Now, one of the finest example of cloud computing is Microsoft Azure. It is Microsoft's first step into the cloud computing following the launch of Microsoft Online Service offering. To sum up, I would like to tell you, with cloud computing, you don't have to be worried about hardware. Just focus on increasing your business, and it also saves time and money, and it's there for you on your business. It's there for you or your business rather than wasting on conventional servers. That's all from my side. Thank you.